Hey guys, I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com and I have another video for you today of one of my favorite subscription boxes. I have right here with me the Ginger Quilter Subscription Box, and I have a good feeling about this box. The Ginger Quilter Subscription Box is a box that comes every single month. It has a project in every box. I did a video just a couple weeks ago on their Christmas box that they sent out, and I made the quilt top from that Christmas box. I don't want to say it's my favorite quilt, but it's definitely on the top of my list for my favorite Christmas quilts, and I am absolutely loving snuggling up with that on my couch. So what I have today to show you is this Ginger Quilter box. I'm not peaked in this one, okay? That's a big thing for me. I have not peaked in this box. This is what is included in the box. We get some fabric from Sarah Watts. We get a Alpen bag by Center Street Quilts. There's a butterfly claw clip, gummy butterflies, butterfly pins, and we're gonna see what's coming up in the next box. Definitely a theme going on here. This is the butterfly clip. My inner 90s kid is definitely coming out right here. This is so beautiful. This is just one of the bonus things that you get. Let's get to the fabric part. We've got gorgeous kind of a butterfly themed fabric from Sarah Watts. These are so fun. So we have this nice woven strap here. This is gorgeous. This is gonna make a really cute bag. Here is the hardware for the bag. With these projects, you're gonna get everything to make whatever it is that the Ginger Quilter box is sending you. Everything is included in this box so that you don't have to go to the store after you get a box full of things to make a surprise project, okay? All right, butterfly gummies. So this is from the Candy Club is the brand of these butterfly gummies. And then we have the batting for the bag. Now let's get to the pattern. So what we're making is this right here is an Alpen belt bag. This is gonna be cute. I've been eyeing these bags. It fits the essentials. We have instructions on how to put together the straps on the back, detailed pictures of every step of the process, and this is gonna be a really fun one to make. If you want to get the pattern for the Alpen belt bag, I am going to put a link in the description box because these boxes are currently there are no extras, okay? So when I show you what is in this box, it is a example of what you're going to get when you order the Ginger Quilter box, okay? So you're not gonna get this exact box, you're gonna get something like it. You're gonna see the quality of the items that are in this box. You're going to see the quantity of the items, the fabrics, how everything is high quality and amazing, but you can't get this box. However, because I know this is super cute and I might even find a way to make this as a Christmas gift. No, I'll probably keep it for myself actually. But yeah, I'm gonna put a link to the pattern down below so that you can pick that up from Center Street Quilts. I'm also gonna put a link to this gorgeous fabric from Sarah Watts down in the description box down below. So nerding out right now. This is fun. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing what is inside the Ginger Quilt box this month. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com. For more tips, tricks, and tutorials for the modern quilter, make sure you hit subscribe to my channel. If you want to become a subscriber to the Ginger Quilter box, make sure that you check out the links below. So mosey down just a little bit, check out the description box and the links down below. I will see you next time. Bye.